Hi guys, in today's video we are going to address one important problem that many of the websites experience. Here if we just look at this specific website cfnl.org, here we can see a secured version. Okay, so when I just click on it, the connection is secured, whereas when I visit the same website without writing HTTPS, it says that it's not secured, the connection is not secured. Now there is just a small difference of HTTPS and HTTP which comes in play in here, but it's a very significant difference which is there. Okay, so for us both these websites are the same websites. Okay, cfnl.org and secured cfnl.org, both the websites are the same websites for us. However, for Google or any other search engine, these are two different websites, and that's one of the problems that many of us face. Now we are gonna understand how we can solve this problem. Ideally, the not secured version should be redirected to the secured version. So how do we go about doing that? There are a few ways of doing it. One is to edit the .htaccess file. However, most of us who are not coders would not have access to it or would not understand how to go about that. Okay, so what I'll do is, here I'll explain you how you can do it with a simple plugin in WordPress. So I'll just go to add a new plugin, and here I'll just search for simple SSL. Okay, once you do that, here you have got really simple SSL plugin which is there, and you can just directly install it. You just click on install and we will activate this plugin. As soon as we activate it, we have to just click on here. We can see this thing, HTTP reference to CSS, etc. Okay, some things can, so we'll just click on go ahead, activate SSL. And here we can see that it has been installed and detected setup WordPress 301 redirect is enabled. Okay, so they have changed the 301 redirect which is there. Okay, so I'll just explain you this. What exactly is a 301 redirect? 301 redirect is the permanent redirect, and we are telling Google that this website, that is the not secured version of the website, is permanently redirected to the secured version of the website. So it's very important you enable this thing, because unless you enable this, it will still load the not secure version. Okay, so when I refresh this page, it would, okay, it has redirected to the secured version which is there. Okay, so however, to be on a safer side, we will just enable this thing. It also gives a small warning before you enable this. Make sure you know to regain access. Okay, so most of the time it happens so that it could happen so that you are not able to log into your WordPress admin after enabling this. So it's recommended that you have access to your cPanel as well, so that you can just go there and delete the .htaccess file from the cPanel and regain the access of this thing. You can just rename the plugin. In case you are not able to do that, you can simply contact the support of your hosting company, and they will help you to fix this issue. I'll just save this thing and we are done. The plugin also has one of the options that you can deactivate the plugin and keep the SSL. So it will keep the SSL rules as it is, and you can just deactivate the plugin. However, I would not recommend that because just having one more plugin added does not make a much difference. So you can